How to build a simple budget, a beginner's guide to managing money. Money, it's something that can either empower your dreams or hold you back. But what if I told you there's a simple, effective way to control your money instead of letting it control you? Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most powerful financial tools out there, budgeting. Whether you're 18 or 30, from New York or New Delhi, this is a game changer. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to take charge of your financial future, starting with just a pen and paper. Point 1. Why budgeting is important. Most people feel overwhelmed by money, constantly wondering where their paycheck went. Does this sound familiar? Maybe you're spending too much, saving too little, or you just don't know where your money is going. The problem is, without a clear plan, your financial goals remain out of reach. Solution. A budget changes that. It gives your money purpose. It's not about limiting yourself. It's about unlocking your freedom. Imagine knowing exactly where every dollar goes and being able to save for your dream vacation or that future home. It all starts with budgeting. Point 2. Break down your income and expenses. One of the biggest mistakes people make is underestimating their spending. You think, oh, I don't spend that much. But in reality, those small purchases add up. Solution. First step, list your income. This could be your salary, side gigs, or even that monthly allowance. Next, track your expenses. Start with the essentials: rent, bills, groceries, and then dive into the extras, like entertainment or eating out. You'll be shocked to see where your money's really going. Point 3. Prioritize your needs versus wants. We live in a world where we're constantly tempted by what we want, whether it's the latest gadget, fancy dinners, or new clothes. But without a clear distinction between needs and wants, your budget will collapse. Solution. Ask yourself, is this necessary for my survival and long-term goals, or is this a temporary satisfaction? By prioritizing your needs, you'll find that you actually free up more money for things that truly matter, like investing in your future. Point 4. Create and stick to your budget. Now that you've broken down your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget that works for you. Solution. Set categories for all your spending: housing, food, transportation, savings, and entertainment. Allocate a specific amount to each category based on your priorities. The key here is discipline. Stick to your budget religiously for a month. Track every dollar to see if you're staying within your limits. Point 5. Adjust and improve. No budget is perfect from day one. You might find that you didn't account for something important, or you need to adjust based on new income or expenses. Solution. At the end of the month, review your spending. Did you stay within your budget? Where can you improve? Make changes and try again the next month. The goal is to keep refining until your budget fits your lifestyle perfectly. Building a simple budget may seem like a small step, but it's a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. Whether you're saving for a big goal or just want to feel in control of your money, budgeting is the key. Start today with these easy steps, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you're managing your money wisely. Like and subscribe, drop a comment, bye-bye.